The Starlight Rescue. In a small, quiet village, Leo and his bunny, Nibbles, loved spending their evenings looking at the stars. One night, as they were gazing out of the window, the fairy Lumina appeared again, her wings shimmering with golden light. "Leo, Dreamland needs you once again," Lumina said with urgency. The Starlight River, which lights up all of Dreamland, has stopped flowing. Without it, dreams cannot travel to children around the world. Leo and Nibbles exchanged a determined look. "We will help," Leo said confidently. Lumina created a glowing golden path once again, spiraling into the sky. As Leo and Nibbles stepped onto it, the stars hummed a smoothing melody. "Follow the path and it will take you to the Star River," Lumina said. The path led them to the gates of Dreamland, which opened to reveal a dim and quiet world. The candy-colored trees had lost their sparkle, and the rivers no longer shimmered. "We must find the source of the Starlight River," Lumina explained. The trio ventured into the enhanced forest, where the trees whispered softly. "The river's light has been captured by the shadow collector." An old owl hooted from a glowing branch. "You will find him in the cavern of echoes." Leo and Nibbles and Lumina thanked the owl and followed the faint echoes of rushing water. Fireflies lit their way, and the forest seemed to come alive with their courage. Deep in the cavern of echoes, they found the shadow collector, a mysterious figure holding a jar filled with glowing starlight. "Who dares disturb me?" the collector growled. The collector smirked. "Prove your worth. Answer my riddle, and you shall have it." The riddle echoed through the cavern. "I rise in the evening, but I am not the sun. I light up the darkness, but I am not a candle. What am I?" Leo threw hard. Nibbles twitched his nose as he knew the answer. The Leo smiled and said, "You are the moon." The collector sighed, impressed. "Very well," he said, handing over the jar of starlight. Lumina led them to the source of the river. The Leo opened the jar and released the starlight, which flowed like liquid gold into the river. The entire Dreamland lit up with colors and sparkles once more. "Dreamland is saved," Lumina said with joy. "Thank you, courage and kindness. Children everywhere will have sweet dreams tonight." As they returned to their cozy room, Leo and Nibbles felt a warm sense of accomplishment. "Good night, Nibbles," Leo whispered as he drifted off to sleep. Outside the window, the Starlight River shimmered brightly, carrying dreams to the world.